your thoughts on what the White House said about the drones over New Jersey, but the FAA
Well,
knew.
I'm checking further.
Yeah.
I had a situation where I met with a lot of situations, and
I always talk about that member of the Coast Guard,
that's the one.
that 47-foot boat.
It was unbelievable. They were
Yeah.
100 feet behind the boat, and they were large. They weren't like little Walmart drones.
12 to 30.
12 to 30. Oh, you got it. You got it.
But that's mind-numbing.
And
Because they don't know that technology.
And as you know, in Kirby, said there were jets flying into JFK. I said, what? So, no, we're asking further questions.
Yeah. Is the delegation going to get another briefing, maybe?
I doubt it.
Or maybe hearings?
I think hearings are really needed.
Yeah.
DOD and Homeland Security.
Yeah.
So
FAA, or are they not
yeah,
going
sure.
to need it?
But I don't know if FAA, where's the military? Homeland, this is U.S. airspace. It's not just over the installations.
Yeah.
And that was the disappointment, with all due respect for the previous administration, because the guidance to them was, if it's over your perimeter, you can do something. Then we had it over their perimeter. At Earl, we had two.
Yeah.
Right over the perimeter. One landed, they rushed over, and they had already taken off again. It's like, are you kidding me? It's a munitions depot.
In the Senate, besides Langley, where Canaan
And Langley was huge.
But then there's Luke Air Force Base.
That's
It's
right.
shut down. Mark Kelly's been bringing that.
These aren't small issues, and I chair the China Commission, 106 hearings, years to date. I'm working all the time. They are so far ahead of us on drones, so they can make it go stealth as soon as we get near them. That doesn't sound like Walmart again. That sounds
Right.
like, or even Iran. That sounds more like China. So
And right now, it doesn't seem like we're prepared.
we're not prepared. That's why I'm asking all these questions. And I have a bill that would empower local law enforcement. Matter of fact, the idea came from, where is he? From Albany Lee. My sheriff.
One guy over there.
The sheriff of Monmouth County, Sean Golden. So he and two sheriffs, he and from Ocean, they've been absolutely indefatigable in tracking these things and doing work. But they don't have all the tools. So this sheriff suggested we do a bill that gives the power with the training to local law enforcement. Not everybody, just a select group, state police and others, so that if this happens, DOD was so reluctant to do a thing.
Yeah.
I couldn't get anybody in DOD, and Kirby would say nothing to see here. Now, what are they doing for it? And in New Jersey, they said, this grid, this infrastructure is critical, military bases. No, and they weren't flying over, the beach, so to speak, except to get from here to there. So it just begs the question. A reasonable man or woman would say, we think there's something very serious here. Let's get to them. I kept saying, shoot one down. In a place where there's nobody in them.
Senator Gillibrand has a bill that would allow
to shoot them down.
Only over military bases.
Well,
so
they already have
Langley.
that. They already have that.
See, but I think they're confused on that because the Pentagon hasn't.
But they just haven't given the guidance, because I talked to my two base commanders and they said we were waiting instructions, but we do have pretty much a standing idea. If the defense perimeter is breached, they can...
Good.
Yeah, but you're not doing it.
I know.
That was my point.
Have you asked to see one? Or they just haven't shot any down?
They haven't, as far as we know, zero. One went down, we were told, in Langley, near Langley, but it crashed so badly. It's like, come on. We don't have the capability to nav one of these things. I think we do.
Right. Yeah.
Or if we don't, how far advanced are they from us?
Right.
I can't find that. I'll introduce you to him.
Oh, is he in town from Jersey?
Yes. We have a big chamber